Hello everyone, and welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. Today, we will learn how to share a calendar on your iPhone so you can collaborate with family members, friends, classmates, or coworkers, and keep everyone updated with upcoming events. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your name at the top of the screen, then select iCloud. Now, tap on See All under Saved to iCloud and scroll down until you find Calendar. Make sure the calendar option is turned on. This allows your calendars to sync with iCloud and enables calendar sharing. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more quick and helpful tutorials like this. Once iCloud Calendar is enabled, open the Calendar app on your iPhone. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Calendars. Here, you'll see all of your available calendars. If you want to share an existing calendar, tap the information icon, which looks like a small I next to the calendar name. On the next screen, tap Add Person. Enter the name, email address, or Apple account of the person you want to share the calendar with, then tap Add. If the calendar cannot be shared, you can create a new one instead. To do this, tap Add Calendar in the bottom left corner. Enter a name for your new calendar, such as work schedule, family events, or soccer games. Make sure the calendar is created under your iCloud account, then save it. After creating the calendar, select Add Person. Enter the contact you want to share it with and tap Add. You can also choose whether the person can edit the calendar or only view it. Simply tap on their name and turn Allow Editing on or off, depending on your preference. Once shared, any events added to that calendar can be seen by everyone you've invited. To create a new event, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of the Calendar app and make sure you select the shared calendar before saving the event. That's it. You have successfully learned how to share a calendar on your iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to check out more quick tutorials like this.